In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload app to App Store with Lovable. We're going to take a simple app from idea to a live web URL in Lovable, then hand that URL to a builder that packages it for the App Store. Have your Lovable and Median accounts ready and make sure you're on a reliable internet connection. Start on the Lovable dashboard. This is your workspace for quickly generating functional apps from plain language prompts. In the main prompt area, type "Build a simple to-do app." Keep it short and clear so the generator knows exactly what to create. You can always refine copy, components, and styling after the first pass. Press enter to kick off the build. Lovable will assemble a basic interface with lists, add and delete actions, and any default logic it includes for a simple to-do experience. Give it a moment to finish, then interact with the preview. Add an item, mark something complete, and confirm navigation and buttons work as expected. A quick sanity check here saves time later. When you're happy with the basics, click Publish. Publishing makes your app accessible via a public web link, which is exactly what you'll need next. Follow the on-screen prompt to confirm. If you've customized branding or made last-minute content edits, be sure to save those before you publish so they're reflected in the live version. Once publishing completes, copy the provided URL. This is the live address of your app. Open it in a fresh browser tab or a private window to confirm it loads over HTTPS and behaves the same way you saw in the editor. Keep this link handy. It's the bridge between your web app and a packaged mobile build. Now head to median.io. On the homepage, you'll see a field where you can paste the URL of your web app. Drop in the link you just copied. What this does is tell the builder to wrap your live Lovable app inside a native container so it can be prepared for the App Store. If your app references images, fonts, or APIs, ensure they're also served securely to avoid build warnings. With the URL in place, click Build Your App. The service will begin creating an iOS-ready package based on your live app. From here, you'll be guided through any required configuration like app name, icons, and signing details. That's it for this walkthrough. You generated a to-do app in Lovable, published it, copied the public link, and used that link in Median to produce an App Store-ready build.